Living in the city comes with unique challenges, especially during emergencies. Let's dive into survival plans tailored for urban dwellers. First, know your surroundings. Identify safe zones like community centers or shelters, and map multiple evacuation routes in case of blocked roads. Next, build an urban survival kit. Include essentials like water filters, compact food supplies, a flashlight, a multi-tool, and a portable power bank. Add a first aid kit and personal protection like pepper spray. Communication is crucial. Keep an emergency contact list and a charged backup phone or radio. Stay updated with local news for real-time instructions. For sheltering in place, focus on securing your home. Reinforce windows, store enough water and food for at least 3 days, and ensure you have adequate lighting and ventilation. If evacuation is necessary, act quickly but smartly. Travel light and stick to your planned routes. Avoid panicked crowds when possible. Urban survival requires resourcefulness and calmness. With these strategies, you can stay prepared for emergencies in the city. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.